You may think you've seen it all, like every pistol on the market or even the ones now off the market. We talk about so many pistols here on Guns and Roses, and if you've been with us for a while or have watched tons of our videos, you may be tempted to think there's nothing new and that it's all just the same old same old. Not to break the heart of the gun experts who think they've seen it all, but the firearm market is so vast that it's very possible to have missed some great pistols. But hey, that's why we're here. Today, we've decided to do something a little different, something you'd love. We want to unveil 7 pistols we haven't shown you before. Even if all these pistols don't interest you, wait until you see the powerful tip we have for you that'll elevate your shooting game to the moon. It's somewhere in this video. Game? Well then, let's get the ball rolling. Who starts a list with a classic 1911? Well, for one, we do. I know you're all used to saving the best for a later clique, but when you have a list full of the best pistols, then you really don't have much of a choice. In fact, there's a bit of a headache in its arrangement. The TSOS 1911A1 is the modern reproduction of the classic M1911. Do you see why the TSOS 1911A1 is a classic? This pistol was designed to resemble the original specifications set by John Browning. The goal was to maintain quality while still making a few important upgrades to suit the modern world. Except if you have a prejudice for modern pistols, which is highly abnormal considering their potential, loving the TSOS 1911A1 will come naturally. Strength, durability, and performance. This pistol can take even extreme conditions and keep on shooting with no drop in performance. Everyone loves a small, lightweight, and compact pistol, and the Palmetto State Armory Dagger is one of the best in that category. It's often referred to as the Glock 19 clone due to its resemblance in size, design, and even features. If you're big on ergonomics and comfort, you'll love what this pistol offers. Did I mention that it's a 9mm pistol? A caliber that's widely admired and accessible, which means you don't have to struggle to get rounds for your gun? When talking about customization, PSA offers various configurations of the dagger, including models with threaded barrels, RMR slight cuts, and different color options like sniper green and flat dark earth. You can customize your pistol to suit your needs and preferences, which is a great quality for a pistol that's also very affordable. The original tactical rimfire, the Walther P22Q. That's exactly what Walther put up on their official website about this pistol. Walther is known to produce some of the finest and standout guns on the market, and the Walther P22Q is a testament to that very fact. This pistol is a rimfire pistol with superior quality and exceptional performance. Widely regarded as the first polymer-framed semi-automatic rimfire pistol, the Walther P22Q offers a level of performance for the elite. You'll love this pistol's timeless design and consistent reliability. You could use it for a very long time and it still won't look outdated or shoot badly. The Walther P22Q is also packed with a lot of features that make it great for target shooting and tactical situations. It also has premium features such as windage adjustable rear sight. What's even better is that all these don't make the pistol expensive, as the Walther PPQ is very affordable. This pistol is certainly one to see. If what turns you on is a striker-fired pistol, then you'll certainly be mesmerized by the beauty and quality and performance of the Taurus TS9. It's a full-sized pistol that was designed for duty use. That should give you an idea of the kind of power that the Taurus TS9 packs. More recently, it's gathered much fanfare in the US market, having been deployed for the elite members of the Brazilian military and police units before its introduction to the American market. Of course, as with any duty pistol, it has a rugged yet innovative design that can take anything while still maintaining that sleek look. Talking about power, this pistol can shoot a deadly 17 rounds of ammunition, ranking with popular models like the Glock 45. Don't mess with it now. Remember the shooting tip we promised you? A powerful tip for improving your shooting skills is the practice of dry firing and trigger control, which can significantly enhance your shooting accuracy. Dry firing involves practicing shooting without live ammunition, focusing on your grip, stance, sight adjustment, and especially trigger control. Practicing dry firing regularly will build muscle memory and improve your ability to maintain sight alignment while manipulating the trigger. This will increase accuracy when you transform to live fire exercises and real-world shooting scenarios. At first glance, this pistol may not look like much. That may be why it's not paraded, but take your eyes off the small size for once and you'll see that the SICK P365 Fuse is big on performance and features. The SICK P365 Fuse is a semi-automatic pistol that combines the compactness of the P365 with the capabilities of a full-sized pistol. SICK did a great job with this pistol, and if you know SICK very well, you know they're big on performance. The SICK P365 Fuse may not be breathtakingly beautiful, but it certainly packs a punch with a magazine capacity of 21+1 rounds, all in a slim profile and grip width of just an inch. You've really got to be impressed. If you have any experience using this pistol, please drop your comments down below. Like the name Charger, the Ruger PC Charger is a pistol that can charge at your target with power and accuracy even in tactical situations. Chambered in the popular 9mm caliber, it has a big capacity of 7+1 round, which is powerful enough to bring even a giant down. The Ruger PC Charger is compatible with both Ruger Security 9 and Glock magazines, which means you get to choose which magazine to use depending on the one readily available to you, a feature not found in many pistols. Certainly a game changer. A lot of gun owners don't appreciate heavy guns, and it's not surprising. Still, with the Ruger PC Charger, you don't have to think about that because it's incredibly lightweight, weighing just 5.2 ounces with an overall length of about 16.5 inches. Though not so widely known, this pistol is a true genius and is widely sought after by all who know its true worth. Finally, let's talk about the Glock 45 here, the pistol with the crossover design. It's a unique design that combines a compact slide like that of a Glock 19 with a full-sized frame like that of a Glock 17. This design, which Glock refers to as a compact crossover, was developed based on the needs of military and law enforcement users and is intended to offer the benefits of both compact and full-sized pistols in one package. It's worth noting that the Glock 45 name has caused some confusion among gun enthusiasts, as it might be expected to refer to a 45 caliber pistol, but it's actually chambered in 9mm. The Glock 45 stands out as a well-rounded option for those seeking a reliable and effective handgun that combines the best features of compact and full-sized firearms. And that concludes our list of pistols we haven't shown you before. So, what are your thoughts on these guns? Do you have any experience shooting any of these? Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Thanks a lot for watching.